Understanding the phrase, draw a bath, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a unique and interesting phrase in the English language. Draw a bath. You might have heard this phrase in movies, books, or conversations, and wondered what it actually means. Well, today, we're going to explore this phrase in detail, so you can understand it and use it correctly in your conversations. Firstly, let's look at the literal meaning of the words in the phrase. Draw typically means to make a picture with a pen, pencil, or similar tool. Bath, on the other hand, refers to a large container filled with water for washing the body. However, when these words are combined as draw a bath, they take on a different meaning. In reality, the phrase draw a bath means to prepare a bath by running water into the tub. It's an idiomatic expression that dates back to a time when water had to be physically drawn from a well and carried to the bath. Today, it simply means to turn on the taps and fill the bathtub with water, usually at a comfortable temperature for bathing. Now let's see how to use this phrase in everyday conversations. For example, 1. After a long day, I love to draw a bath and relax. 2. Can you draw a bath for the kids while I prepare dinner? 3. I'm going to draw a warm bath and read my book. Notice how the phrase seamlessly fits into various contexts, typically related to the act of preparing for a bath. It's also interesting to note similar expressions in English. For example, run a bath is another way to express the same action. Both phrases are commonly used and understood in English-speaking countries. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, draw a bath. It's a great example of how English can use familiar words in unexpected ways to express unique ideas. Remember, understanding such phrases will not only enhance your vocabulary but also your comprehension of the language's nuances. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.